Welcome back to AJ Kitchen Paper. Today we are looking at cold Chinese style ramen, also known as Hiyashi Chu-ka. This is the perfect dish on a hot summer's day. And it's done within 30 minutes. Super simple, super easy. Now that Oats has sniffed out the best noodles, let's dive in. To start off, we're going to chop up half a cucumber into lovely little slivers. And then just pop these to the side because we're going to start on our tomatoes. So grab a full tomato and then chop into small wedges. And off to the side with those. Grab the cheapest ham that you can find and chop that into small slivers and off to the side. And lastly, we're going to whisk up 1 egg. Whiskety whisk! Now let's make some ultra thin egg crepes. Put in a small amount of egg into a pan. Whisk around until almost cooked. Now flip out your paper thin egg crepes onto a chopping board, fold over and chop into thin slices. Alrighty, easy as. Pop them off to the side as well and we're going to prepare the dressing. So let's pop in 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mixity mix. And now it's off to the side with that one because it's time for noodly nudes. So boil up some water and then shake in all of your lovely noodly nudes. And you're just going to make sure that nobody sticks together by giving them a good shake as they boil. Cook according to the packet and then strain out and rinse with cold water. Done! Simple. Now it's time to plate up. So grab your noodly nudes, stack them sky high, and then once you've got a wonderful little stack, you're going to start to neatly pile on your toppings. So on goes the cucumber, ham, egg, and tomatoes. Stunning! And then of course as a garnish we're going to pop on top our pickled red ginger and our dressing. Lovely! Now that she's all dressed up for Instagram, get her close-up. Stunning! Today we're drinking Shua Bitter Sour, which is a classic from Osaka. Tastes like an average energy drink, but hey, whatever floats your boat, I suppose, Osaka. Alrighty, I think it's time for a taste test. So get a bunch of nudes in your face, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know about you, but once it gets into summer, I tend to lose a lot of my appetite. But this is amazing. While it's nice and cold like a salad usually is, it's so much more filling, and the sour dressing makes it super moreish. So if it's stinking hot outside, but you do want some noodles, this is a perfect dish for you. These toppings are what Japanese people usually think of when they think of Hiyashi Chu-ka. However, feel free to mix and match with your favorite vegetables and toppings. And if you've never had cold ramen, here's a place to start. Because I'm sure even if you're in the most outback mining town, you'll be able to find these ingredients. So I hope you have a go. Alright, I think it's time that I get a little plate of my own. So, till next time guys.